Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to craft a bell in Minecraft. For that, we're going to need some stone, we're going to need a block of gold and some sticks. After that, we just go to crafting table, we put stone like that, sticks on the right and on the left, and the block of gold in the middle. And as you can see, I have just successfully crafted a bell. And you may ask, guys, how did you do that? Because you cannot craft a bell in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah, of course you cannot. But the thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack for that. You can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description. And here you just click download data pack, save it on your PC, and you install it to your Minecraft world. And you can use this data pack on any Minecraft version you want to. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the data to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.